Ever wondered what you can grow in your polytunnel in March in the UK? Let's delve into the rich possibilities. The benefits are manifold. A polytunnel offers a sanctuary against late frost and an extension of the growing season, meaning you can kickstart your cultivation earlier. More than this, it allows for a wider variety of plants, some of which might not typically brave the British weather. In essence, a polytunnel in March can be your secret weapon against unpredictable weather and limited planting options. Now you might be asking, what vegetables should I plant in my polytunnel in March? Well, let's dive right into that. First up, we've got early potatoes. These guys are hardy and can handle the March chill. Just make sure to give them plenty of space to grow and flourish. Next, consider radishes. They're quick to mature and don't need much room, making them perfect for smaller spaces. Then we have spinach, a leafy green that loves a cool climate. Lastly, let's not forget about lettuce. With a variety of types to choose from, you can easily add a splash of color to your polytunnel. Remember, these veggies need ample sunlight and water, but be careful not to overwater as this can lead to root rot. So, early potatoes, radishes, spinach and lettuce are your go-to veggies for your March polytunnel planting. But knowing what to plant is only half the battle. How about some practical tips for maintaining optimal growing conditions in your polytunnel? Let's dive in. Firstly, water is vital. Despite the chill outside, your tunnel can get quite warm, and plants may need more water than you'd expect. Keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. Next, ventilation is key to prevent overheating. On sunny days, roll up the sides or open the doors to allow a refreshing breeze to flow through. Another crucial aspect is pest control. Keep a keen eye out for any unwanted visitors and use organic methods to keep them at bay. Finally, it's essential to monitor temperature and humidity levels. Remember, your polytunnel is a microclimate and you're in control of that climate. Keep it comfy for your plants, and they'll reward you with vigorous growth. Remember, the secret to successful polytunnel gardening lies in maintaining the right conditions for your plants to thrive. Before we wrap up, let's briefly talk about a seasonal planting calendar. March in the UK is the perfect time to sow early potatoes and radishes, transplant spinach seedlings, and harvest fresh lettuce right from your polytunnel. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!